Okay, we're back to do our auto-lyse now. This is what our bread looks like now. Looks pretty much like what it looked before. What we're going to do is we're going to add, I'm going to weigh, zero my scale out. I'm going to get 50 grams of water. 50. Yeah, after you do the other thing, 50 grams seems like a lot. It doesn't seem like very much. So I have a little bit too much. Okay, so we're going to get 50 grams of water, and then we're going to get 20 grams of salt. This is kosher salt, and that's what they recommend that you use. 50 grams. I mean 20 grams, sorry. So I have 20 grams of salt. I'm going to pour my salt on, then I'm going to pour my water over it. So it kind of melts the salt. And I'm putting my gloves on, and I'm going to incorporate the water and the salt together. Until, well, I have gloves on, so I can't feel it, but I can feel how it is. If you don't have your gloves on, you can feel the little salt granules in there, and pretty soon they'll pretty much be dissolved and worked into your dough. Now we're going to put the dough in our container to rise, and that's going to be called our bulk rise, and you do that for 3 or 4 hours. So I'm going to drop it in there. Every 30 minutes, you take your container and you pull it up and down from all 4 corners or 4 sides of your container. You need a container that has straight sides because that helps the dough raise better. And when my dough is raised enough, it will be to a little bit over the top of this little lip on my container. These containers I really like because they're inexpensive and you can tell how your dough rises, and after a while you'll know this is where it should be when it's ready to make into the bread. So remember, every 30 minutes you pull your dough just like this. And this sort of takes place of kneading since we don't have to knead this dough. I'm going to cover it with a dish towel and let it set for 3 hours probably. I'll tell you how long it takes today when we come back later.